Bonjour. Administration and general expenses, this group is part of the unprofitable departments, meaning they generate more expenses than revenues. Administration and general includes the following services: general management, general manager, personal assistant to the general manager, operation director. The finance department, including purchases, the human resource department. This group is not very dependent on an increase in occupancy because the hotel needs these services regardless of occupancy. However, here too you will need to be attentive to the productivity ratio and expenses of this group to avoid any embarrassing question during the presentation to the owner. Another department which is part of the non-profitable department, also relatively little dependent on an increase in occupancy, is the IT department. It is often a department badly viewed by owners because there are always unplanned expenses for equipment, cable network, routers, etc. In the next video, we will see the expenses of the sales and marketing department.